sauteing some onions and peppers together, and then I've baked some chicken and diced it up. We're going to add that to our peppers with some seasoning, some taco seasoning, and then we're going to line us a pan with some salsa. Next, we're going to take our tortillas, add a little mozzarella cheese and our meat and pepper mixture, roll those up and put those in that pan. We're going to add a little bit of Mexican cheese on top of that, stick it in the oven and let that melt. Take that out and it's done. We're going to add a little salsa on top, sour cream next to it, and we're going to enjoy.